Kwadzana East MP Hwende is set to be replaced as Chair of Parliament's Powerful Public Accounts Committee, PAC, with Marondera Central MP Custom Muteo lined up to take over the reins. Sanabena mashoko mudapangwa inochinzi Hwende Demoted as the CCC shakes up Parliament Committee roles to be subscriber. Like on the bell icon, Tibina Munawuzizere Mudani Komchinzi. The Standard reported sources is saying that the changes, reportedly approved by Committee on Standing Rules and Orders (CSRO), will be officially announced in Parliament on Tuesday. Mateo, who currently has the Media Information and Broadcasting Service Committee, will be replaced in that role by Gweru Eben MP Josiah Makombe. Makombe, in turn, will leave his post as Health and Child Care Committee Chairperson. Hwende is not being dropped entirely, as he is reportedly being reassigned to lead the Energy and Power Development Portfolio Committee. Meanwhile, Thokozani Kupe is expected to step into Makombe's former role as Chair of Health and Child Care Committee, moving from the Higher and Tertiary Education Portfolio. That role, in turn, will be filled by Mangwe legislator Vincent C. Hlaboni, who is currently with the Energy and Power Development Committee. CCC Chief Whip in the Senate, Nohlahla Mloshwa, confirmed the developments but will not be drawn on what prompted the reshuffle, said Mloshwa. As a CCC Chief Whip, yes, I confirm that there are some changes, but I'm not the head of the CSRO, so I can't comment much. The CSRO is responsible for various administrative and policy-making functions. Its primary role is to oversee the administration of Parliament, formulate standing orders, and appoint members to committees. Do mashoko aripo aiwa marisha vos ari kuitika panguva ine kune comment section medu mboto dzamafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like channel, turn on the bell icon.